It's been absolutely fabulous.
It gets me feeling like, yeah, I'd want to be creative. I want to get stuck in and do things.
I've loved it. Being a Wickes Apprentice, it's great to see other people from other stores. You never know, in the future work might come from it, or even just friendships. It's so powerful.
It's been fantastic. Really enjoyed the day with all the people we've had down, so it's been great.
Yeah, it's great. I hope they do some more. And it was exactly what I needed for this bedroom that I'm doing.
It's just brilliant. I think it's nice to be in a community where you get invited to these events and see what's up and coming and what can be of use in the future. It's fantastic.
It's just nice to hear what challenges people have and find out what they need from us.
Being able to showcase what we are as a store, the service that we can deliver and the products that we sell.
Raising awareness about who we are, lets the customers come down to the store to see us and meet the teams and the people and our suppliers. It was just going to drive a lot more business into stores.
Wickes is a brand that wants a project in every home. They know they can come to us and they can get everything they need.
It's great to get involved with the community, meet people that are actually buying our products and using our products. It's really great to work with Wickes on things like this.
The company is brilliant to work for. I just wish that more people, especially women, knew about their installation apprenticeships. It's given me so many opportunities and I've met so many great people.
It makes me feel like Wickes cares.
This just reinforces what a good brand it is for me.
100%. If I'm able to make it for my own social media page.
We're going to get one of the kids to film me doing the painting, so that's going to be good fun.
I'm going to start doing some more DIY now, so why not video it and pay for my paint?